Mariah's reaching in.
She's pulling out a number.
Real good. Let's see what you got.
Oh, who's going to be the winner? $380. I'll let you give it to the winner.
380. All right.
There you go.
Okay, what do we got?
I don't know, political contribution seems like.
4, 7, 6, 1.
Hold on. Let's start over.
4, 7, 6, 1, 2, 5.
476125.
476125. Going once.
You do?
Really? How about that? Multiple
Be
winners.
careful,
Lucky
be careful. Take your time. We got time. 465. What's that say? 125, right?
Is that twice in 2 weeks?
Yippee-ki-yay!
Okay, I'm gonna hand this over to Mariah to give you. Oh, let's check it out. We gotta verify
Is
this
that
one.
twice in 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Can't
Can you
trust
believe
guy.
this?
He's been up here twice. 476125.
Yes!
You got it.
Congratulations.
And it's back-to-back
Would you
wins
like
last
to
week, too.
present?
Yeah, don't forget to tip
How
Dano
much is that? Do you remember?
the band and Cody.
380.
He won last week, too.
Congratulations.
380 big ones.
How
What's your
about
name,
that?
sir?
Mike Burgess.
Mike Burgess is buying drinks.
Fantastic.
How about Mike?
We're the
That's
ones
okay,
that
I
have
gotta
the
clean
new
it up.
our new Impalas here.
Oh, nice. The one with
Okay,
the new
let's get
white
on with the
58
trophies.
Impala.
Who won that last week,
Beautiful.
too?
And so there's
Way to
no
go, Mike.
autographed Dano
See,
poster.
see what happens when
Best of Show is donated by Roy Ray Insurance.
Bye, Mariah.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Roy.
and you see what
for
happens
being a
when you
sponsor.
roll in and you grease down on Eli's palm.
We are going to
you win a
start with
raffle.
second place.
Hey, Mariah. Hey,
Oh,
Mariah.
Mariah.
You're on Dano Live.
I know. Famous YouTuber.
Hope you got all that.
Cody's friend with the red roadster pickup. Girlfriend. Girlfriend's dad. Number 76. They didn't even turn in their ticket to win the money. What's up with that?
Huh?
The roadster pickup. Number 76, red, right here up front.
And what they win?
They won the second place trophy.
Whoa. How about
Ed
that?
Hodges is upset. He's packing it up and he's
You
taking it.
got to turn in your red ticket so you can win the money. Oh. No. No, it's okay. We're good, right?
We didn't get a picture.
Okay. Okay, first place. Thank you, Rod, for making the trophies. This is the guy right here. Let's go.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
He's in the garage all week long making these. He even pinstripes them too.
Yeah.
So
Wow.
here we go. Number 36, Ed Enos, a 1936 Ford 5-window, 350 engine.
Yeah.
Nice.
Hey, congratulations. You got to get your picture with him.
Look at that. How cool.
All right. Here we go, right there with Rod.
Congratulations.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, we're going to let Steve Jones, our mayor, and hopefully our mayor coming up, please vote. Paul can take a picture.
Paul, oh, yeah, it's cool.
We're gonna read number 20.
That's it? Okay. Here we go.
Yeah, I knew that.
Smile.
I knew it.
1, 2, 3.
All right.
I knew it.
Good
All
smile.
right.
I picked it.
We got number 20,
He was doing that.
Barbara and Larry Whittington
Yeah.
with their Ford Deluxe.
Yeah.
Come on up.
Skip
Where you
Davis.
And that Ford Deluxe is Skip Davis that recently passed away. They
Yeah.
bought his car and they drove it all the way out here from Devore.
How about
And
that?
they did a beautiful memorial for Skip Davis the other day, last Saturday, the 19th. So it was very, very nice. Congratulations, you guys.
Congratulations,
Thank
Barbara and Larry.
you. Barbara and Larry
Look at that.
Whittington.
How cool.
Yeah. Hey, Larry, get in there. Let's see. Rod,
Get on in
Diane, everybody. Okay, look this way. 1, 2, 3. Gotcha. That is so cool. Yeah. How about that?
Now you can go home and call
Yeah.
Connie and tell her. Yeah, Skip won
That's
another
great.
trophy.
I had a feeling. As I said, don't go early.
The beautiful car. Thank you so much.
How about
Thank you,
that?
Steve Jones, for helping out. Thank you for being here.
I'm
Thank
get
you
the
for
cars
having me.
rolling
I
out.
must say, I've never met anybody like a mayor in Garden Grove before.
All right, let's go catch them rolling out.
It's great to be here. Thank you guys. Have a good night.
Hey, don't forget to parallel park the cars and we're going to stay any longer because we're going to open up the street.
All right, Patrick. Willie. I got him coming down on my heels. Bill Jr.'s Nova. Look at the wide meats on the back of that. It needs all that wheel tire to hold it on the ground. All right. Under the historic Main Street Garden Grove sign. It's rollout time. Here to roar. Dano Live, Dano Vision. How about that? A Chevrolet Pietros. Big block 396, 67 Camaro. See you in the morning. Look at that, Jerry. Thank you, Jerry. '57 James. Janesville, Wisconsin. Thank you very much. Kind generosity. First City Classics represent. Hey, Bob. Way to go, Mariah. Look at that, huh? Yeah, Boss 302. Look at this, 64 Cutlass. Wow, how about that? You stuck in on me. I didn't see it. Look at that. It's beautiful. Holiday Coupe. Yo. Man, I got the lights on me. Yeah, look at that. That is one bad camper right there. Yeah. I need those lights on the front of my transit van. We got a trike. I think it's Mario. Yeah, it is. It's Mario. It's donuts. Yep, you'll be there earlier than me. Yeah, what we got here? Roy Ray Insurances. That's Roy's son right there. Yeah. His grandson. Ha ha ha, represent. Look at you, yeah. Yeah, you made it, huh?
Finally.
Yeah. Look at this. Dennis McGrath. He's been working hard and look at the beauty. How about that? Thanks, Dennis. All right. How about that? Isn't that pretty? Yeah. Height on that, huh? Good. Beautiful. renewed his sponsorship.
In the morning.
All right, you got it. And a dog. Yeah, badass 33. He won a raffle. Yo, there's Ron done. Hey, Roy. Ha ha, yeah. There you go. You got some gears and pedals. Let's hear it. Oh, yeah. Let's hear it. Let's hang a second gear shift right there. No.
Go to Costco and get some gas. Right?
Oh, okay, yeah. Good thing they're open late. Yeah. Don't want that to happen. You want on pump gas regular, or you got to put the super?
This is regular.
Yeah. Oh, good. Yeah. Cool. All right. See you in the morning. And look at that, huh? Yo. Good night. Boss Hoss. Here's Ernie. Ernie's a 55 Nomad, Bel Air Nomad. Hey Ernie, good to see you.
Good to see you again, Dano.
All right, yeah. Good you came out, your boy came out, hung out with his beautiful 55. Family affair. Yeah. Yep. Look at this, huh? Steven, Hooligan, represent. You only represent tonight here at Garden Grove. Look at Malibu Chevelle, boy, it sounds good. Yeah, Steve's got some badass well wheels. Yeah. How about that? Putting the Dano live on a quarter window. Man, look at that, huh? Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, sounds real good. Oh, that sounds good. Bill Jr.'s got his hot 75 Nova. He's got it ignited. Probably nothing on the street that can keep up with it. He'd blow all these doors off. He'd have a collection in his garage if they would pull up on him. All that torque and power, he'd pull all them doors off all these cars. Oh, and then this poncho at a 350 cubic inch. More door power right there. I heard it light up. Lights are on. And look at the Corvette. C1 Vet, 1961. One of my favorites. Wide whites and caps. Yeah, you know that's one of my favorites.
How are you,
Yeah,
sir?
I'm fine. How are you guys?
Good to see you.
Good seeing you. I'm glad you brought it out.
Thank you very much.
Beautiful. Wide whites, white toes. Real hot rod, gears and pedals. Got dice on the mirror. Twice pipes out the back. A 1961 American sports car. C1 Corvette. Look at that, huh? I love it in green with the yellow wires. Look at that poncho. Yeah. Thanks for bringing it out, man. You have to bring it to cruise night. Yeah. I think Bill might be ready to go. Sounds like it's all dialed in, warmed up. He's probably gonna melt them slicks on the blacktop. We'll see. Don't go nowhere. Look at that. 3 Series BMW. Yeah. Looks like we got Ed Hodges. They brought his bride out tonight with his 40 Ford. Dual American flags, wire wheels wrapped around with wide whites. That's it, Mr. and Mrs. Hodges. So, yo. Yeah. How about that? Oh, here. That's the show right here. How about that? Skip Davis's old car. All right. Larry and Barbara Whittington. Oh, here we go. There we go. Those slicks are going to melt that pavement. There we go. We got pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. Yeah. Look at that, huh? Phoenix. Got that. There we go. What do you think, Bill?
Running all right?
Ready to rock it?
I think so.
All right. We're going to stay with this. We're going to pull it in tight. Oh, yeah. Look at that, Cody! Yeah! How about that? How fun. What a night, what a night. Congratulations, guys. We still got some more rolling in here. We'll put this on pause for a bit. And alive. Wow, huh? You know what? When you roll by Dano at an event and you grease his palm, you win the raffle money 2 weeks in a row. Yeah.
2 in a row, I don't believe.
Yeah. You might just pull off 3.
Plus, they got the awning.
Plus you got the awning, yeah. What a night, what a night. Yeah. This is your lucky
Vegas.
car. Vegas, yeah. You better make a road trip. 2 weeks in a row, wins the raffle money.
This is the
58.
night show. I'm glad we started coming back.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, we hope we do. Yeah, we aim to please.
First show we started coming to back in 2013.
Really? Okay, so 7 years, yeah.
All right, bub. See you
All right.
next week.
Thank you. Good night. Yeah, 58 a pallet. Look at that, huh? Surf City Classics, 35. Hey, Chris. How fun. Okay, here we got a, I think it's a 32. I'm not sure, I can't see. We'll see in a bit. I think it's, yep, it is. It's her 32 V8. It is Kathy Gardner and her hubby, HBCC president. She's gonna roll it up the street. Yeah, nice night to drive the top down. The Gardners, her 32 V8, and Gary's got a coupe. I also got a 68 GTO. Ah, get it. 57. Yeah, real hot rod. We got gears, we got pedals, and there's Nomad. Yeah, you heard him. He's pushing the clutch, giving a little rev. Making sure he's clarifying that it has 3 pedals and multiple gears. And look at here. Tony with his Z06.
Another great show, Dano.
Yeah, it was. Thanks for coming. Thanks for parking them. He parked all the cars
All
tonight.
right, thank you, buddy.
Yeah. Thank you. See you next show. Z06. How about that? All right, I think I'm gonna walk it on back. And when the cars go rolling towards me, well, hold on. Look at this. Look at that, huh? Yo. Yeah. All right. Let's walk it on down. I'll take a little, put it on pause, or I'll pick it up when the cars start rolling again. Down the line. Hey. PC. Another great night. See you at Dano this morning, right?
5 o'clock.
Woo! Yeah, right. I'll put the watch on you.
200 mile an hour club, buddy.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's right. 200 mile an hour club at Donuts in the morning. That's PC in his Volkswagen. And Mike Miller. We're getting ready to roll out with a 427 Nomad. There we go. Look at this. Maldonado's made it in. Look at that, huh? My 55 ride. Great. You gonna do the quarantine? You gonna do the quarantine?
When is it?
Sunday.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Text to 2100. Yeah, 21,000. Text cruise, and they'll give you all the directions.
All right.
All right.
Dano.
All righty. Good night, guys. How about that? That's no finer ride than that my 55 ride right there. Got a 427. Beautiful. Whoa. Uh-oh. It's running, Mike. Oh. Sounds good. Oh. Yeah, sometimes they do that. That's Mike Miller. That's his 427 nomad. Let's see what else we got. Man,
How did it look?
look good. Look like you got out of it. Was it starting to get squirrely on you a little bit? Yeah.
I didn't put it straight.
Yeah. No, it looked good. I got it on there. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Middle about that much more.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Sounded badass.
Right?
Yeah. That's the man with a 75 Nova. That'd be Bill Jr. 72.
73.
Yeah. 73. Okay. Look at it right.
Last year the good one.
Last year the good ones. Yeah. All right. What we got rolling here? Aha. Look at that. Yo. Good night. Darren won the raffle prizes. How about that? That's about it. Dano Live, Dano Vision. We'll close it out with Diane. Diane, last thoughts on the show tonight?
No, it's your car show. No, it's your car show.
I guess no last words.
Oh, I'm sorry.
She got her phone in here.
Hey, Dano Live, follow him. What a great show it was.
It was, huh?
Yeah.
From Cody unveiling to the raffle prizes, the money, and the cars, and the people. Can't find it.
Tools gave him a whole 200-piece tool set.
Wow, yeah.
She needs a raise.
Yeah, she does. Yeah.
She needs a raise.
Yeah, okay. We'll put it in. We'll vote on it, huh? How about it? Yeah.
At least
That's
they
Diane
just
Dane,
got a
hostess.
live. I appreciate
You're
you so
very,
much.
very welcome. Thank you, Diane.
Awesome.
And we are out. That's another
Thanks,
edition.
Sam. To Dano Live.
All
Thank
right.
you so much, guys.
Look at that.
We are
How
going to
about
have
that?
the mayor come down, Steve Jones, and help us out with the raffle. So, thank you. Another donation for Dano Live.
All right,
Let's
thank
hear it
you.
for Dano Live.
Look at that. 427. Yeah.
He's everywhere.
How about that? What we got over here? We got a Galaxy 500 XL.
Do the show and videotape and
Look at that.
help out all these people that are stuck at home.
Yeah.
And
Hey.
see
Real hot rod gears and pedals.
friends get Davis,
3 pedals, 4
wish
speeds.
me luck.
63.
You know, all kinds of people
Look at
that
that.
sit at home and they love
The Bonafide 409.
It's great when they can come
Look at
down
that.
here and do that.
She's real fine, my
So
409.
here's Steve Jones. He's going to come
Look at
behind
Cody's.
the table. Hopefully he doesn't trip over anything and he
How
can
about
see
that?
because I can't see to read the tickets.
Dano Live.
James.
OCMC, Prez, Paul Montesano. Good night, Paul. All right. See you at Donuts.